Good day, viewer. You are welcome to ICT Insight web channel. I'm Michael, a computer programmer, an engineer, a database administrator, and an ICT instructor. We shall be teaching ourselves on this channel programming in coding, how to repair computer system, how to repair handsets, and other ICT stuff. So you are rest assured that you have the chance of learning at large through this channel. You are welcome. Today we shall be considering a topic: what makes the computer system fast, or what are the factors that determine the speed of a computer system. Sometimes you operate a particular computer, it's said to be fast, whereas on the other hand you may use a computer that you discover is very slow. What are the causes? Why is a computer fast and another is slow? Today we are going to be looking at those factors that could cause your computer to be fast or slow in this PowerPoint slide of a video. Computer power and speed come from different components, different determinants. So let's move on to see those determinants. There are 8 determinants to probably a computer will be fast or slow. Number 1 is the processor speed and capacity. 2, cache size. 3, bus size and speed. 4, RAM speed and amount. 5, hard drive size and speed and hard drive type at the same time. 6, video card or GPU, that is graphic processor unit. Then 7, we have latest operating system and software. And 8, operating system type, the type of operating system you are operating with. So the first one is processor speed. The processor speed is also termed clock speed. That's the number of cycles a chip performs in 1 second. So the processor speed determines how fast your computer system will be. It is measured in gigahertz. The CPU with a clock speed of 3 gigahertz, for example, can run 3,000 million cycles each per second. That means it's going to be very fast. At the same time, Core 2 Duo, if you have a Core 2 Duo system, it is going to be faster in performance than ordinary Pentium computer. Core i5 processor have more capability to run tasks than the Core i3 GPU in media creation, multitasking, or when you are working on graphics. So that's about processor speed. The next one is cache size. What is cache? Cache is onboard memory that store information so that processor can access that information quickly. So the faster the cache is, the faster the processor will be able to obtain information and process it in that order. At the same time, if you clean up your cache regularly to help you speed up the computer system. Let's move on. That's number 2. The third factor is the bus size and speed. What is bus? Bus, they are just wires binded together in order, and they transfer information from one component, from an aspect of computer system to another. A bus is known as system bus. It connects the CPU to rest of the components. From the CPU, other components of computers are connected using this bus. And when your bus is fast, usually it contributes to your computer speed at the same time. The fourth one is RAM speed and amount. We all know what RAM is: random access memory. In every computer, it's a temporary memory that aid the speed of your computer. So the larger amount of RAM you have in your computer, the faster your computer will be. If I'm having 4 gig RAM on computer and you're having 8, definitely your computer is capable of processing data and information, and it's going to be faster than mine. Types of RAM are DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5. The next one is hard drive size and speed, and the type of hard drive you're using again. So the bigger and faster the drive, the better the computer perform. A well-organized drive with plenty of empty space. When your hard drive has empty space, it's going to be fast. But when your hard drive is about being full, the computer slows down. At the same time, solid state drive, that is SSD type of hard drive, are better than the ordinary hard disk drive, because the solid state drive has no moving parts. They use flash memory, so they are very fast and faster, more rugged, durable than the usual hard disk drive. Another factor is the video card or graphic processing unit, called GPU. Now the GPU, graphic card itself, has RAM, inbuilt RAM. RAM 8 speed of computer, so it has its own inbuilt RAM. When you combine that with the RAM in your computer system that is there installed, the combination of the two will cause your computer to be very fast. When you are processing anything of multitasking nature, you are running anything that has to do with graphics, so your computer will be faster than any other one without the graphic card. The next one is latest operating system and software. If you run some application faster than other, some latest operating system does that, than the other operating system. And we cannot compare the speed of Windows 7 to that of Windows 10. One is faster than the other. Windows 10 is capable of running the most current operating system applications than the older version of Windows 7. Now the next one is the type of operating system you are running. That has to do with probably it is 32-bit or 64-bit processor. Now if you are running a 32-bit operating system, it's capable of running only 4 gig RAM. You cannot install into it more than 4 gig. It's only 4 gig usable. Any other thing you have there will be redundant. It's rendered useless. Computer will not use it. But when you install 64-bit operating system, you can have as large as 8 gig RAM, 16, 32, and even more. So you have the tendency that you have more slot for RAM, where that will aid the speed of your computer system. Can you see 32-bit OS can store and handle lesser data than the 64-bit OS? More specifically, today is a maximum of this byte. Now, whereas the 32-bit will do double of this processing at a time. In conclusion, if anybody asks you what made the computer fast or what aided the speed of computer, I'll tell the person this. It depends on the processor type, the cache, the RAM you have, good bus speed and weight, the hard drive, probably solid state or the ordinary hard drive, HDD, the GPU, the graphic system using, the operating system that you install, and software, probably it is latest software or the old software. That is that about the factors or determinant of the speed of the computer system. Please do subscribe to this channel, share it on social media that you are capable of sharing it with. But the major thing is when you subscribe, you will have that access to any new video posted from us. Like I told you, we are going very, very deeper than you thought. We are going to be teaching people on how to on programming, basically coding, for students, for adults, for old, young, and everybody, men, women, everybody who have to. This is information ICT world, so everybody should key into this, I think. Thank you for visiting this site, and God bless you. Bye for now.